Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest technology tips and tricks. In today's video, we will be discussing some of the best tips and tricks on how to speed up your Windows 10 computer. As we all know, a slow computer can be frustrating and can hinder our productivity. So, let's get started and learn how to optimize our Windows 10 computer for maximum speed and performance. The first and most important tip is to disable unnecessary startup programs. These programs launch automatically when you start your computer and can slow down your system. To disable startup programs, go to the Task Manager, select the Startup tab, and disable the programs that you don't need. The second tip is to uninstall unused programs. These programs take up valuable storage space and can also slow down your computer. To uninstall programs, go to the Control panel, select Programs, and then click on Uninstall a program. Select the program you want to remove and click Uninstall. The third tip is to clean up your hard drive. Over time, your hard drive can become cluttered with temporary files, system files, and other junk files that can slow down your system. To clean up your hard drive, go to the Disk Cleanup tool and select the files you want to delete. The fourth tip is to disable unnecessary visual effects. These effects may look good, but they can also slow down your system. To disable visual effects, go to the Control panel, select System, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click on Settings under the Performance section, and select the option to adjust for best performance. The fifth and final tip is to upgrade your RAM. Upgrading your RAM can significantly improve your computer's performance, especially if you use memory-intensive programs. To upgrade your RAM, check your computer specifications to determine the type and amount of RAM your system can handle, then purchase and install the new RAM. These were some of the best tips and tricks on how to speed up your Windows 10 computer. By disabling unnecessary startup programs, uninstalling unused programs, cleaning up your hard drive, disabling visual effects, and upgrading your RAM, you can significantly improve your system speed and performance. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more technology tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.